our wood top table with stainless steel base. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 36 inches, a depth of 24 inches, the thickness of the stainless steel top measuring 1.5 inches. Overall height, we have 34 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 29 inches in length, by 17 inches in depth. The distance from the bottom shelf towards the top of the wood top, we have a height of 23.5 inches tall. Film can be peeled off, protecting the stainless steel finish of the bottom shelf. And located on the far top corner is the NSF certification. For more questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.